நான் சொல்றேன், ஐயோ actually my voice level is entirely different. I think it's not possible to put here. Can you put little bit away from, you should put the mic little bit away. Adin idun T. Rajendra da idun T. Rajendra da வேணா என்ன கிண்டல் பண்றியா? You put your camera. If you want, you try to bring a camera. I will talk to an American. Otherwise, I will talk in London, in UK. You try to watch my diction. You try to watch my English knowledge. You try to watch the language command in English. Why the mountain should go to the mountain? The mountain should come to the mountain. What's called the written constitution? What's called the unwritten constitution? The Indian written constitution is versus the unwritten constitution of the British unwritten constitution. Like that, if I want, I can talk in the platform at the Annamalai University. அது வேற. ஆனா சினிமால அத பேசிக்கிட்டு இருந்தா என்ன ஒதுக்கி இருப்பான். ரங்கு ரக்கர